NASA's latest mission is taking us to a place we've never been before, a metal-rich asteroid named Psyche. This isn't just any space rock. It could be the exposed core of a planetesimal, offering a unique glimpse into the early days of our solar system. Could Psyche help us understand the violent collisions that shaped our planets? What secrets does this metallic world hold about the formation of Earth itself? And why is this mission so groundbreaking for NASA and space exploration? Let's explore the details of NASA's Psyche mission to find out. NASA's Psyche mission seeks to investigate the metal-rich asteroid Psyche, which is located in the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. This is NASA's first journey to an asteroid that contains more metal than rock or ice. On October 13, 2023, at 10:19 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Psyche launched from Kennedy Space Center. It launched from Launch Pad 39A using a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket. This is the first time a NASA science mission is the primary payload on a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket. We said goodbye to our spacecraft, the center of so many work lives for so many years, thousands of people, and a decade, said Lindy Elkins-Tanton, Psyche principal investigator at Arizona State University in Tempe. But it's really not a finish line. It's a starting line for the next marathon. Our spacecraft is off to meet our asteroid, and will fill another gap in our knowledge and color in another kind of world in our solar system. The exciting journey of NASA's Psyche mission. Now the real fun begins as we race toward asteroid Psyche to unlock the secrets of how planets form and evolve, stated Lori Leshin, director of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, in Southern California. JPL oversees the mission's general management, system engineering, development and testing, and mission operations. Approximately 1 hour after launch, the spacecraft detached from its rocket. Around the 90-minute mark, it achieved two-way communication with NASA's Deep Space Network facility in Canberra, Australia, around 11:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Initial reports indicated that the spacecraft was in decent condition. I am excited to see what treasure trove of science Psyche will unlock as NASA's first mission to a metal world, said Nicola Fox, Associate Administrator for the Research Mission Directorate at NASA headquarters in Washington. By examining asteroid Psyche, we expect to gain a deeper understanding of our universe and our role in it, particularly the enigmatic and unreachable metal core of our home planet, Earth. The gravity of the asteroid Psyche will capture the spacecraft in late July 2029, and its main mission will begin in August. It will take roughly 2 years to orbit the asteroid, take images, map its surface, and collect data to determine what Psyche is made of. The Psyche spacecraft's body is around the size of a compact van and is powered by solar electric propulsion. It has a magnetometer, a gamma ray and neutron spectrometer, and a multispectral imager to explore the asteroid Psyche. As soon as the spacecraft detects an asteroid, it will begin transmitting photographs to Earth. Scientists believe that asteroid Psyche, which is around 173 miles, 280 kilometers, broad at its widest point, may contain some or all of the iron-rich core of a planetesimal, a rocky planet's building block. The asteroid could also be something else entirely. It could be the remnant of an entirely other type of iron-rich body created from metal-rich material someplace in the solar system. Psyche may be able to explain how the cores of Earth and other rocky planets formed. A peek into planetary interiors. The trip of the Psyche spacecraft to its namesake asteroid was almost like traveling to the center of the Earth. Asteroid Psyche could be the exposed core of a planetesimal, a primitive planetary building block. It could have shed its outer layers in cataclysmic collisions early in our solar system's history. If it is a planetesimal, asteroid Psyche could give us a close look at the inside of terrestrial planets like Earth. We can't drill down to Earth's metal core or the cores of other rocky planets. So visiting Psyche could provide a unique perspective on the catastrophic history of collisions and matter accumulation that resulted in worlds like ours. Discovering the asteroid Psyche. Psyche was discovered in 1852 by the Italian astronomer Annibale de Gaspari. Because it was the 16th asteroid found, it is also known as 16 Psyche. It is called after the goddess of the soul from Greek mythology, who is frequently depicted as a butterfly-winged feminine figure. Psyche circles the Sun in the outer reaches of the main asteroid belt, between Mars and Jupiter. It is about 3 times farther from the Sun than Earth. Since Psyche and Earth move at different speeds, the distance between them changes from less than 186 million miles to more than 372 million miles. Psyche has an irregular, potato-like shape. If you cut the asteroid in half horizontally at the equator, it would be 173 miles, 280 kilometers, across at its widest point and 144 miles, 232 kilometers, long. It has a surface area of 64,000 square miles, 165,800 square kilometers. Psyche is dense, weighing 212 to 256 pounds per cubic foot, 3,400 to 4,100 kilograms per cubic meter. The surface gravitation on Psyche is significantly lower than on Earth and even lower than on Earth's moon. On Psyche, moving a car feels like lifting a huge dog. Scientists believe Psyche may contain considerable amounts of metal from a planet's core, which is one of the building components of our solar system. The asteroid most certainly survived several powerful collisions, which were typical when the solar system was formed. There are still some questions about its exact makeup, but scientific analysis suggests Psyche is likely made of a mix of rock and metal, with metal making up 30% to 60% of its volume. This was determined using radar sightings and the measurement of the asteroid's thermal inertia. Scientists used radar and optical measurements to generate a 3D model of Psyche, which revealed 2 crater-like depressions. This suggests there is significant variation in the metal content and color of the asteroid's surface. But until the mission sees Psyche up close for the first time, we won't know exactly what it looks like. As we await the exciting findings from NASA's Psyche mission, what do you think we'll discover about the history of our solar system? That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more content like this.